Hello, this is Byron, and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout, home fitness, home body weight workout. Today I'm going to do some chest exercises in this video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do two exercises at the same time to kind of increase the level of difficulty and increase the level of challenge with the workout. I'm going to start from a back position like so, okay? And with this exercise, you can vary the hand position. You can do it wider than shoulder width. You can do it shoulder width, and you can do it close in. Close in is a little bit more difficult when you're doing the forward or back to forward exercise push-up. And so you really have to be aware of your balance while you're doing it. Today I'm going to do a wide grip, but there are basically three hand positions that you can do as you're doing this exercise. You can do a wide, you can do shoulder width, and you can also do very close in or kind of a triangular push-up. I'm going to do a wide grip today, but just keep in mind that three different hand positions can be done with this exercise to add variation to the exercise. Okay. But I'm going to do two exercises in one, and I'm going to do them basically in succession to add, increase the level of difficulty. All right, so let's begin. Basically here I cross my leg, one leg over the other, and then I have my hand position again a little bit wider than shoulder, and then I'll start from a back position here and just go forward. Okay, so it's not a standard push-up. You're kind of in between like a yoga thing. Okay, so you're starting from back, going forward, then going back. Just make sure you breathe normally, keep your back straight. Just a variation on kind of a traditional push-up. Okay, just make sure to keep your form straight as you're doing it. Keep your back straight. Keep it tight, in tight position. Don't jerk back and forth from side to side or anything. Okay, and simultaneously, I'm going to do this exercise along with a forward push-up. So I'm going to start from basically from the up position, and I'm going to push my body forward. Okay, like so. So it's a forward push-up and a back push-up. Okay. And you'll find when you combine the two, you get a really nice little, you're doing them in succession, obviously, without too much of a rest in between, which adds a considerable level of difficulty. But again, the same hand position, a little bit wider than shoulder width, okay? And then instead of pushing back, pushing up and forward. Okay. All right, so that adds definitely a different dimension, to the exercise when you're doing two different exercises at two different angles. So it definitely challenges your muscles more than doing just one, especially when you do them in succession. All right, so let's go one more time with the back push-up. Just get my breath here for a moment, and then. Okay, starting from back again, push back. Okay, and when you do them in succession like this, it's very, very stressful on the muscles. So you do reach your failure points quite quickly, but don't give up. Try to get through as many failure points as you can to really shock the muscles. Okay. Okay. All right. So that's did a couple again, going back. But as you do them, and as you do the two exercises in succession, whew, boy, tires your muscles out quickly. But that's good. It's a good thing. Okay. So again, back to the forward push-ups. So down and forward. Pivot on your back feet. Put one leg over the other. Just try not to fall over. It's very easy to fall over in this exercise. So I'm just going to give a quick flex. A few minutes. A few seconds. Don't want to do it for a few minutes. But as you do the exercises together, they really multiply. It's a multiplier effect as far as your muscles are concerned and levels of difficulty. And when you're doing the home workouts, or home fitness, home bodyweight workouts, just try to add those layers of difficulty. Make it as challenging as possible by using varying the angles to make it more difficult. And the position that you put your body weight in, make that more difficult. All right, so let's go one more time with forward push-ups, one leg over the other. Use your back foot as a pivot point. Just bring your body forward. Okay. Yeah, and you reach your failure points quite quickly. So let's go back to the back push-up, back position. Okay. Bring your body back instead of forward. Okay. Whoa. Yeah. And failure points come on quickly. You might give yourself a couple seconds, catch a breath, and then go at it again. Try to reach as many failure points as you possibly can. Keep your form nice and tight. Keep your body weight equally on both arms. All right, let's go back into it. So again, just to stress that point, don't shift your weight back and forth. Keep your weight equally on both sides of your body, on both arms, to work your body equally. All right, so right back into the forward one. See how many we can do. And those actually are even more difficult. The second exercise is usually quite a bit more difficult than the first one. So, one quick breather, and then go right back into the forward, then pivot on your back foot. Okay, bring your Bring your body up as quickly as you can and down as slowly as you can or down slowly to increase the negative resistance. All right, let's go right back into a back push-up. Okay. Whew. So I have already reached several points of failure, 3 or 4, where my muscles are, really super contracted, starting to lock up. So I'm going to try to do a couple more of the forward push-ups. So down and forward, pivot on your feet. Oh, okay. We only do about 1. Woo. So, yeah, I'll give it another quick flex, a couple seconds, just to tear the muscle and define the muscles as much as you can. Then I'll try for a final one. And on this one, I'll hold on the way down, or about the midway position on the way down, and at about the midway position, try to hold to just add an extra level of difficulty to the overall workout. All right, so let's one more time with the back. Then you start from the back position, forward, down. Okay, try to hold. Oh yeah. Okay. Woo. Yeah, it's hard now. All right, so without further ado, let's go right back into the forward. Okay. And hold. Woo. So that's quite challenging. So anyway, that is about the summation of the chest workout. I'm gonna grab the chair over here, and so just as you're doing these exercises, just kind of remember that to add as much of a level of difficulty to the exercise as you possibly can by using different angles, and also by your body weight, by adjusting your body weight so that it's working against you. You want your body weight working against you as much as possible in order to add extra levels of difficulty. But that is a very good chest workout. 2 exercises done in succession. You're doing backwards and forwards, which works the overall chest, the upper and lower. And it's, what does it take me, like 12 minutes, 13 minutes? It takes almost no time at all, and I'm doing a lot of talking as I'm doing it. But everybody out there, stay motivated to work out at home. Sorry, a little bit out of breath. Stay motivated to work out at home, and it only takes a couple minutes. You can do it in your own time, in the morning and the evening. And everyone stay strong out there. Thank you very much, and see you next time. This is Byron signing off.